let's see what topics we are going to cover today. Like before starting whatever we have here, I would like to tell that there are certain principles that I follow before I started my lessons. So I would like to tell that I am a human. Okay, I'm a human being. So if I make mistakes, I hope you guys are going to understand that I'm also a human. I may also make mistakes, and that may happen while I'm explaining certain topics, or maybe I may not understand a certain phrase, yeah, or certain vocabulary. So in that case, like, don't judge me. And I'm also human. Like, if you think that he has 8.5 and he doesn't know this vocab, that's not going to be very good of you. So I'm a human. If I make mistakes, I hope you guys are going to understand. And so let's start. And the reason why I'm saying is sometimes I make mistakes, and students just sometimes tell it straight to my face that you also make mistakes. I mean, I'm also a human, okay? Like, I may also make mistakes. So I hope you guys understand. And now let's get on the main agenda that we have. Let's get on what we're going to do today. So we're going to analyze Reddit, like my all-time favorite favorite app, yeah, I can say. So we've got quite a lot of topics. The first one is study tips. Study tips. That's going to be our first topic, because I myself sometimes struggle to study well. Sometimes I cannot really focus. Sometimes I do not really know what strategy is the best. That's why that will be interesting for me as well. And career, I came across a really interesting one, honestly. Like, let me show it to you now. If I had to restart, if you had to restart your life, what degree or career path would you choose? I mean, that is interesting. And there are over 1K comments here. We're not going to read all the comments for sure. We're going to analyze a few of them. Okay. And then we've got this one. What are your best non-conventional or unknown sedatives? Yeah, they're amazing. And the last one is about what was it? Hobbies. Yeah, hobbies. So let's start. Like, before starting, I would like to ask you a question. How do you analyze, let's say, text? Yeah. How do you analyze text? How do you pick chunks? How do you work on your vocabulary? How do you work on your idea generation? Like, what do you do? Tell me. And then I will show mine before we move on to the main agenda that we have today. So the way you taught, of course, like, of course. What about others? Let's see, like, how do you analyze texts? With ChatGPT? Okay, new vocab tarjima qilib. Okay, yaxshi. Qolganida qanaqa? I'm going to be using Uzbek as well to make things easier for you to understand. Hop, tak. New vocab tarjima qilamiz with ChatGPT the way I taught. ChatGPT, like, make sure it should be your last option. Okay. Odam qiynalib ketadi lekin. That's the most interesting part. What kind of text? Like, whatever text you have. Let's say reading text you have. Let's say podcasts, whatever you have. Like, how do you analyze texts and then matching qilib savoldagi joy bilan tekstdagi joylarni match qilib chiqaman. Okay, bu readingda yaxshi. I usually pick the phrases that I think is natural. Then I find the meaning from the Cambridge Dictionary and make an example with ChatGPT. That's a good one. Abdullah. That's a good one. Okay, yaxshi. Tak, reading for joy, then pick some phrases and learn as well. That's good, Muslima. That's good. Okay, endi ko'rib chiqamiz. O'zim man nima qilaman? Qachonki manda phrase bo'ladigan bo'lsa, o'zim mana bu yoqqa kiradigan bo'lsak, speaking prep degan account ochib qo'yganman o'zim o'qishlarimga o'zimga. Misol uchun bizda mana anyone else feel like adult life is just endless maintenance? Hamma ichidagi o'zimga yoqqan frazalarni olamanda, tagiga chizib, ularni analiz qilib chiqaman. Analiz qilganimdan keyin mana bitta olganmanda, голосовой yoqib, o'zimga o'zim vocablarni activation qilganman. Mana another game changer for me was. Game changer o'zi vocabularysi, mana fraza juda ham kuchli fraza. Ko'pchilik bilmaydi. Game changer degani bu juda ham kuchli bo'lgan metod degan bo'ladi-da. Xo'p, yana nima qilsa bo'ladi? Har xil vocabulary bor, olamanda analiz qilib chiqaman. This happens to me as well due to not really using my native language on a day-to-day basis. Mana on a day-to-day basis vocabularyimiz bizni. Endi qanaqa qilib vocabularyni analiz qilamiz deydigan bo'lsak, how to pick chunks deylik. Mana chunks nima degani o'zi? Chunks degani parts of the sentences. Sentences. Tak. Bunga nima kirib ketishi mumkin? Bunga collocations kirib ketadi, phrasal verbs kirib ketishi mumkin-da. Undan keyin bizda idiomatic language kirib ketishi mumkin, idioms kirib ketishi mumkin. Tak, idioms kirib ketadi bu narsaga. Bizda qolganlari natural phrases. Tabiiy eshitiladigan bizdagi frazalar bo'ladi. Bularni qanaqa qilib analiz qilamiz deydigan bo'lsak, asosan ular gaplarning bir qismlari bo'ladi. Bitta o'zlari kelmaydi. Masalan uchun day to day basis. Buni day to day basis deb oladigan bo'lsam, ishlashimga qiyin bo'lib qolishi mumkin. Lekin yoniga bilan olsam, on a day to day basis qilib olsam, o'zim speakingda foydalanishga ancha oson bo'ladi. Ma'nosini tushunishimga ham ancha oson bo'ladi. Endi biz xuddi shunaqa qilib hozirchidagi frazalarni bitta-bitta analiz qilamiz. Bu biz hozir frazalarni analiz qilayotgan paytimizda shunchaki tilni, nima deydi, language-ni rivojlantirmaymiz. Nafaqat til, balkim o'sha idea generation, yangi narsalar o'rganamiz, odamlarning o'zini experience-dan o'rganamiz, o'zlarida o'xshagan narsalarni bitta-bitta o'rganib chiqamiz sizlar bilan. Endi birinchisi mana stereotipsdan boshlaymiz. Okay, mana R Ask Academia. Bu o'sha hamma nima deydi, studentlar, teacherlar yig'iladigan joy. 68 ta komment bor ekan, ko'rib chiqamiz. What are your best non-conventional or unknown stereotypes? Shu yerda o'zimizga vocabulary olsak bo'ladi, misol uchun. Tak, analysis deb boshlaymiz. Okay, tak, mana non-conventional. 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 Bu like non-modern, yes, not modern. Conventional degan modern bo'lishi kerak. Non-conventional ko'ramiz. Conventional meaning. From established traditions, norms, and accepted ways of doing things. Okay. Like conventional degani traditional degani ekan. Yes. Traditional. Traditional degani hamma foydalanib yuradigan, azaldan oldin odamlar foydalanib kelgan. Non-conventional degani not traditional. Something that not many people use. We can say, yeah, or something that ham shunaqa oson yo'lga qo'ysa bo'ladi. Non-conventional degani something that not many people use, not traditional. Traditsion azaldan beri odamlar foydalanib kelmaydigan, juda ham bir kamchiligi bilingan stereotiplar qanaqa deyilyapti ekan. Ko'ramiz. Tak, don't know if buni kooperativlaylik hozir birga analiz qilamiz keyin. Okay, let's start. Don't know if I don't know now. Buni o'zlari to'g'rilab olasizlar. I don't know if count as a tip. If it counts as a tip, okay. But I'll tell you how I study. I talk with myself about what I'm studying a lot. Sometimes like if I'm having a discussion between two to three different persons, like people, yeah, impersonating of all of them, and walk while studying, and gesticulate like a madman. Gesticulate degani, qo'llarini har xil harakat keltiradi, jinnlarga o'xshab deyapti. Endi bu yerda o'zimizga oladigan narsamiz, aytayapti, qachonki men o'qiydigan bo'lsam, men o'zimga juda ham ko'p gapiraman deyapti. Misol uchun bitta tema o'rgandim, temani o'zimga qayta tushuntirib beraveraman. Buni stereotip shunaqa ekan. Va o'qiyotgan paytda biror joydan biror joyga yurar ekan. Mana gesticulate degani qo'llarini juda ham bir nima deydi, body languagedan foydalanadi tushuntirayotgan paytda. I like a madman degani o'sha jinnlarga o'xshab. Endi o'zimizga qanaqa vocab olsak bo'ladi bu yerdan deydigan bo'lsak, uncha vocab yo'q o'zimizga bu yerda faqat o'zimizga idea olsak bo'ladi. Impersonate degani I'm not really sure. Lekin buni hozir ko'ramiz tarjimasini. Impersonate meaning. and imitate me, pretend to be another for entertainment or fraud. Rol ijro etmoq ekan, okay? Rol ijro etmoq, impersonate. Rol ijro etmoq. Bu har xil odamlar olayotganda o'ziga o'rganayotgan paytida nima deydi, o'zidan kimdir yoqib olar ekan. Shunaqa metoddan foydalanar ekan bu. And walk while studying. Okay. Davom etaylikchi, qanaqa tiklab bor ekan bunda. Another tip: start to study. Start studying 2 to 3 weeks earlier of what you planned. Just read the subject as a novel, then take 5 to 7 days break and repeat. Do it 2 to 3 times. It's not too much time consuming. And I feel easier to learn and remember everything. Da bunda ancha oldin boshlayman deyapti. Buni asosiy aytmoqchi bo'lgan narsasi shu. Endi bu o'zimizga oladigan vocabimiz, it's not too much time consuming. Time consuming o'zimizga olsak bo'ladi, lekin bu yerdan nima desa bo'ladi? O'zimizga olgan asosiy narsamiz o'qiyotgan paytda, biron narsa o'rganayotgan paytda o'ziga gapirib, yurib, qo'l gesturlardan foydalanib o'rganishlik bo'lar ekan. Hop, keyingisi. I give teaching lectures to my dog. It's embarrassing when I get caught, but it helps a ton. Hop, endi qaranglar, buni men analiz qilmayman, o'zingizlar analiz qilib berasizlar. Ichidagi fraza, vocabularylarni. Okay, let's see. O'zimizga mana shu gap so'zdan qanaqa vocabulary olsam bo'ladi, qanaqa fraza olsam bo'ladi. Menimcha bu yerdan ancha olsak bo'ladigan, o'rgansak bo'ladigan narsalarimiz bor. So let's start. Like, what do you think? What kind of chunks, what kind of phrases can we learn from this sentence? Yeah. Qanaqa qilib speakingda foydalansak bo'ladi, ichidagi ba'zi bir chunklarni o'zimizga olib. What can we use? Yeah. I see some people texting, get caught, helps a ton. That's great. That's great. Helps a ton. Yes, teach lectures to my dog. Yes, when I get caught. Good job. Okay, what else do you have? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. I see some other students as well. Let's see. Helps a ton. It's embarrassing when I... Good. It's embarrassing when I do something. That's a good one. Give teaching lectures to someone. That's good. And now, endi qanaqa qilib speakingda foydalansak bo'ladi deydigan savol. Aytaylik, o'zi bilmayapsizlar. Qanaqa qilib speakingda foydalanishlikni. O'sha paytda nima qilaman deydigan bo'lsanglar, uni olasizlarda shunchaki ChatGPT ga tashlaysizlar. Aytaylik, mana I give okay. Give teaching lectures. It's embarrassing when I do something. Aytsam bo'ladi. Well, it's embarrassing when I talk to people. Yeah, I can say get caught. Get caught ham yaxshi frazalardan bittasi bizda. Tutilib qolishlik, ushlanib qolishlik. Ushlanib qolish. Endi bu yo'lda ushlanib qolish emas. Biror narsa qotganlarda ushlab olishadi sizlarni. Yeah, like when I was talking to a girl from my school, I just got caught, you can say. Ushlab olishdi, mani tutib olishdi, kimni ko'rib qoldi desa ham beradi. It helps a ton. For example, you can say, well, there's a friend of mine, and he advised me one tip that usually helps a ton. Yeah. Bitta menga advice berdi, bitta tip berdi, u menga juda ham ko'p yordam beradi. Helps a ton degan narsani olib foydalansak bo'lar ekan. Okay, now let's continue. If it helps, you're not the only one at all, or all my friends are a bunch of psychos, or talk with pets is a fairly common. Okay, even a fairly common. O'zimizga bitta olsak bo'ladi bunda. A bunch of psychos. Endi sal o'rtog'lik bo'yicha jalb qilmoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsa, shundan foydalansak bo'ladi. Misol uchun nima bizda? Tak. Okay, all my friends are a bunch of psychos. Hamma o'rtoqlarim deyapti, hammasi psix deyapti-da, psychos. Or talking about pets, fairly common. Fairly common again, like really common. You can say, well, playing video games is fairly common among my friends, so I usually see them doing it. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, not to cram at the last minute seems to be unknown to my students. Cram at the last minute. Cram at the last minute degani oxirgi minutida o'qishlilik-da. Adashmasam shunaqa. Hozir yana ko'ramiz. Cram at the last minute. Frantically studying large amount in short time, often for exams. Okay, you see, mana juda zo'r vocab. Menga yoqdi misol uchun. Cram at the last minute. Nosili bo'ladi, spinni foydalansanglar bo'ladi. For example, you've got a question. Let's say, aytaylik, part 2 deb berasizlar, biror bir ideya berasizlar, qanaqadir bir situation dastur berasizlar, o'sha paytda aytsanglar bo'ladi. Well, at that time, I was just cramming at the last minute because I just didn't have any time, didn't have any free time before the exam, you can say, yeah. Tak, use of rather than read studying, image analysis. Okay, katta. Menimcha-da, bu yerda o'zimizda bor, ancha vocabulary bor. Endi buni men emas, sizlar qilib berasizlar menga. Men o'zim ko'zga o'tirib chiqdim hozir, ichida ancha yaxshi vocabulary bor. Okay, let's start. Sizlarga bunga taxminan 4-5 minut yetadi. I think so. Tak, let's start. Studying rather than studying, analysis in 2017. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Not many chunks here, but still we can learn. We can learn. Okay, let's see. The standard deviation from QM. Well, yeah, it is. Find yourself. Yes, that's a good one. Bet wisely. Good job. Good job. Self-testing, restudying, to do something as much as you can. Find yourself. Yep. That's a great one. That's great. Find yourself rereading material. That's a good one. Okay, I see 4 more people analyzing the text. Let's wait for them and then we'll proceed. I have to try to keep up with you in the word file. Okay. Spending time wisely. Yep, good one. Yep. Good one. Good job. Katta ko'rib chiqamiz endi. Self-testing degani bizda o'zimiz nima qilishligimiz, test qilishimizligimiz, o'zimiz tekshirishligimiz, yes. Restudying qaytadan o'qishlik. Self-testing bilan restudying farqi bor ekan. Buni aytmoqchi bo'lgan narsasi, tipidan tushgan narsa. Qayta o'qirgandan ko'ra o'zingni check qil deyapti. Misol uchun aytaylik, bizda vocabulary bor. Vocabulary yodlayapmiz, aytaylik instead of, yes. Instead of degan vocabulary yodlayapsizlar. Uni qayta instead of o'rniga deb aytolmasdan o'zimiz tekshirishimiz mumkin ekan. Hop, instead of qachon foydalansang bo'ladi, Behruz deb o'zim gaplashsam, instead ofni qachonki biror narsadan ko'ra afzal ko'rayotganda yoki biror narsadan ko'ra foydalanayotgan paytda ishlatsang bo'ladi deb. Misol uchun, do your homework instead of scrolling on Instagram deb o'zimga aytsam, esda qolishim ancha oson bo'ladi. Ko'pchilik o'qishdan qiladigan xatosi, mana apple olma qilib yodlayveradi so'zlarni. Lekin bu yodlash metodikasi eng men shaxsan o'zim uchun eng yomon va nima deydi, qo'pol qilib aytadigan bo'lsak, eng musur metodikalardan bittasi. Ko'rganman, YouTube'larda chiqishadi, har xil bir rangli kartochkalar olib kelib, eshigiga osib qo'yiladi dedi. Hammasi bir tiyin, qachonki sizlar so'zni qanaqa to'g'ri foydalanishni bilmasanglar. So'zni olib, Apple olma Apple degandan foyda yo'q. O'rniga sizlar uni olib qanaqa qilib foydalanishni o'rganadigan bo'lsanglar, qaysi kontekstda to'g'ri foydalanishni biladigan bo'lsanglar, shunisi shotki. Xo'p, davom etamiz yana. A meta-analysis in 2017 showed that taking practice quizzes, yes, quizzes, trying to recall as much as you can about a topic, then checking your answers against feedback is significantly and substantially related to positive memory outcomes. Something is related to positive memory outcomes. Like, endi bu narsani speaking part 1 da foydalanish maslahat bermayman. Speaking part 3 da foydalanadigan bo'lsak, qachonki bizda savol darajasi qiyinroq bo'ladigan bo'lsa, shunda foydalansak bo'ladi. Okay? Keyingisi find oneself deb o'zimiz to'g'rilab olamiz. Reading material. Verb ing. Endi gap tutsak bo'ladi. I usually find myself scrolling on, let's say, on YouTube, scrolling shorts on YouTube. Da. I usually find myself scrolling shorts on YouTube degani, har doim men o'sha odatda o'zimni, endi to'g'ridan to'g'ri ma'nosi o'zimni odatda YouTube shorts ko'rayotganligimni topib qolaman degan ma'no bermaydi. Find oneself doing something degani, biror narsani har doim qilishligidan nima desa bo'ladi. Misol uchun, men har doim YouTube'da o'zim xolamasam ham, yemadi. Xo'p, boshqa tushuntirib find oneself verb ing de asosiy ma'nosi qachonki biror narsani, like, I couldn't really explain it. I can make up a sentence. I usually find myself reading books at night. I can't really explain it. Okay, ChatGPT o'tishdan oldin siridan so'raychi, qanaqa explain qilasiz shuni? Like, how to explain it? I mean, interesting, how to explain it. Find oneself verb ing. O'zimni biror narsa qotganimni, I really can't explain it in Uzbek. Okay, I see some strong candidates. Beware of something that you're doing. Maybe. Tak, find oneself doing something. ChatGPT kirmanglar iltimos faqat, okay? Birinchi ishlataylik o'zimizda bor narsani, keyin ChatGPT kiramiz, okay? Tak. To be busy doing something, no. I don't think it's about being busy. Tak, no one really. Like, I myself couldn't explain. Like, I gotta admit, unconsciously doing something. Well, that's a good one. Unconsciously doing something. Like, o'zi tushunmasdan biror narsani qilishlik. No, I don't think so. Because, like, if I say I usually find myself reading at night, like, I'm doing it consciously, I think. O'zim madur qilayotgandek tutaman. I don't think so. Tend to. Well, that's a good one. That's a good one, maybe. Tend to do something. Moyilligi bor deb aytsak bo'ladimi unchada? Qachon qaramaman shunaqa qilayotgan bo'laman. Bo'lishi mumkin. Pretending as if I'm a good student deb aytsak bo'ladida. Tend to olsak bo'ladi, misol uchun menimchada. Tend to degan moyilligi bor. Endi bu narsani qaranglar, o'zbekchada uncha specific, precise ma'nosini aytib bera olmadim, lekin gapda tutsak bo'ladi. Misol uchun, do you often read books? Do you often read books? Well, I usually find myself reading books at night, and mostly novels, yeah, you can say. Davom ettirsalar bo'ladi shunaqa qilib. Menimcha bundan tushunib oldinglar degan umiddaman. Okay. Oxirgisi bizda spend time wisely. Spend time wisely. Vaqtni o'sha nima deydi, to'g'ri sarflashlik. I usually try to spend my time wisely by doing something. Yaxshi fraza. Xo'p, davom etamiz yana. Qanaqa tiplar bor ekan bizda? Not sure how unconventional this is, but I swear by the rubber duck method. Qasam ichaman deyapti-da bu. It's named for teaching your material to a rubber duck. So I have heard, but my friends and I rubber duck for each other. I've never got as good marks as when I have been second-hand teaching my revision to other people. Ha, buni aytyapti. Yana o'sha biror kimdirga o'rgatishlik metodi ekan bu. Chunki teaching is really the best way to learn deb aytib qo'ygan ekan. O'zi rostdan ham shunaqa. Men o'zim teaching qilib ko'p narsa o'rganganman, o'zim o'tirib o'rganganimga qaraganda. So this is also what you can get from this tip. If you want to learn better, teach. Like teach to whoever. Let's say you've got a notebook, like teach to notebook. That's it. You've got a glass, okay? You've got glasses. Teach to glasses, because when you explain something to someone or something, you will learn a lot. Xo'p, davom etamiz. Yana bitta. Yana ikkita mashqcha samas qilamiz, keyin boshqa temaga o'tamiz. If you need to do rote learning using Anki is about than any other method. O'zim Anki degan narsani yoqtirmayman. Shunaqa bitta programma bor. Qolganlarga bilmadim, shaxsan menga yoqmaydi. Chunki u narsa, nima deydi, programmaga hamma wordlarni tiqib, o'sha so'zlardan foydalanib o'qishlik, qarab, nima deydi, bitta so'z olib turib, bosasida kartochka aylanadi. Yomon qanaqadir bir I don't know, like I don't really like it. But bu ham o'kay bo'lsa bo'ladi o'zimizga. Rote learning. Rote learning degani it is the memorization of facts and numbers and whatnot. Okay. Har xil narsalar. Rote learning mana shu. Biror narsani tushunmasdan faqat esda qolishga harakat qilishlik. Tak, bu yoqda ham bitta ko'raylik. Rote learning. Memorizing information through repetition, focusing on recalling facts exactly as learned rather than understanding the underlying concepts. Bu nima deydi? Mavzuni tushunmasdan turib qayta o'rganishlik. Ko'pchilik o'quvchilarda vocabulary shunaqa rote learning bo'lib qoladi. Ular olishadi, faqat oddiy yodlab qo'yishadi. Masalan, glass, ochki qilib, lekin foydalanish keladigan bo'lsa, to'g'ri foydalanishni bilishmaydi. Xo'p, rote learning dot. Okay, if you're studying for an exam, mana shu oxirgisi. Lekin meni ham qiziq tuyulyapti-da. Mana aytib qoldi, 10 yildan beri dars beraman deyapti. Okay, ikkita qilar ekanmiz. Tak, let's see. If you're studying for an exam, that must be taken in a specific place, then do some of your studying there, including an overview of material. Aytibdi, agar imtihonga tayyorlanayotgan bo'ladigan bo'lsang, buni bitta ma'lum bir xonada qil deyapti. Har xil joylarda qilmadigan deb shunday deyapti. You will feel more comfortable recalling that information in a familiar location, and there is a very good chance you will start to link objects in the room with certain facts, thoughts, ideas from your studying. If you cannot access that location beforehand, arrive early and review quickly while you get comfortable. Aytibdi, imtihonga ma'lum bir joyda tayyorlan deyapti. Chunki ma'lum bir joyda muzohimada tayyorlanadigan bo'lsang, o'zi o'sha obyektlar bilan, xonadagi ma'lum bir narsalar bilan informatsiyani bir-biriga bog'lab olasan. O'sha biror narsani ko'rsang, bir-biriga aloqasi qilib, informatsiya esda qolishligi osonroq bo'ladi deyilyapti bu yerda. Buni ham o'zimizga olsak bo'ladi. Misol uchun, sizlar har doim uyda o'qiydigan bo'lsanglar, uyda o'qimasdan turib, biror bir kafega borib o'qishmi, tinchroq kafega borib, book kafega borib o'qishmi, yoki o'quv markazida tinchroq joyga kelib o'qishmi, shunaqa o'qiydigan bo'lsanglar, informatsiya esda qolishi osonroq bo'ladi deyilyapti. Chunki joydagi bilan va o'sha joydagi biror bir narsa bilan informatsiya bir-biriga bog'lansa, esda qolishi osonroq bo'ladi deb aytibdi. Xo'p, mana shu oxirgisi. Menimcha bunisi qiziqroq bo'ladi, chunki aytibdi opayli aka. Okay, let's see. 20 minutes a day per class, no excuses, makes an enormous difference. Okay, 20 minut kuniga bitta darsga deyilyapti. No excuses. Bahona yo'q. 20 minut oldin tayyorlanib olish aytyaptimi ekan, o'qiylikchi. Makes an enormous difference. Bu vocab yaxshi, misol uchun. Makes an enormous difference degani juda ham katta farq olib keladi. farq yaratadi, juda ham katta o'sish olib keladi deb aytsak bo'ladi. I have privately tutored, mana privately tutored. Ana nima deydi? Uyga boribmi yoki alohidami individual o'qitgan ekan for 10 years and I'm now a biology professor but I'm still a tutor. Aytmoqchi bo'lganda, the study programs I tutored were developed by Yale researchers and they emphasize everyday repetition. So the information is put into your long-term memory. Cramming relies on short-term memory. Write and draw your notes. Do not use a computer to read or study. Highlight, underline, annotate your book notes or brain-like color and categorization. Okay. Da, buni o'zinglar o'qib chiqishga maslahat beraman. O'zida o'qishga maslahat beraman, chunki aytayotgan tip rostdan menimcha yaxshi. Chunki mana qarasanglar aytyapman-da. Write and draw your notes. O'zimiz o'rgangan informatsiyani yozib, chizib o'rgan deyapti. Do not use a computer to read or study. Kompyuterdan, gadjetlardan foydalanma. Highlight, underline and annotate your book yoki notes. Chizib qo'y, bo'yab qo'y va hokazolar deyilyapti. Our brains like color and categorization. Kategoriyalashni va bizni miyamiz ranglarni yaxshi ko'rar ekan. O'qimoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsang, yoningga notebook olib, daftar olib, unga chizib, unga yozib ishlatyapti. O'shan informatsiya esda qolishga oson bo'ladi deyilyapti. Buni ham men aytib ketdi. The study programs I tutored were developed by Yale researchers. Yale researchlar orqali ishlab chiqarilgan ekan, uni o'tadigan programmasi. Ular urg'u bergan ekan, everyday repetition. Everyday repetition biror narsani har kuni qaytarib yurishlik. So the information is put into your long-term memory. Har kuni biror narsani qaytarib yuraveradigan bo'lsa-edi, u sizlarni uzoq muddatli xotiranglarga joylanar ekan. O'shanda ancha uzoq muddatga esda qoladi. Misol uchun aytaylik, biror bir mavzu o'rgandinglar, qiyin mavzu o'rgandinglar. O'sha narsani bir hafta qaytaringlar. Chuqurroq o'rganishlik uchun har kuni 20 marta qaytaringlar. Bu narsa sizlarga yordam beradi deyilyapti. No doubt. I like the methods I learned. Xo'p, endi buni samarasi qilib olamiz o'zimizga. Bu yerda ancha vokabular o'rgandik, bunga qaytib kelsanglar bo'ladi. No, asosiy o'rgangan narsalarimiz study tips. Study tips. Study tips. Birinchisi bizda teach someone. Okay. Teach someone or something. Esimni qolganlar o'zim not qilib ketyapman. Sizlar ham o'zingizlarga qilib ketsanglar bo'ladi. Ikkinchisi everyday repetition. Repetition. 20 minutes a day. 20 minutes a day. Okay. Undan keyin do not use a computer or a phone to read and study. Okay. And then highlight, underline, and annotate. Yes. Annotate. Our brains like color and categorization. Men o'zim ikkinchi semestrdan o'zimga o'zim o'qishni yaxshi o'qiyman deb va'da berganman. Endi bular menimcha foydalanaman o'qiyotgan paytimda. Da, o'zim study tips o'rgangan narslarim shu. Okay. Study tips bilan biz done. Endi keyingi temaga o'tamiz. Menimcha bu ancha qiziq bo'ladi, chunki tema rostdan ham seriozli tema. Xo'p, katta. Okay, good. How many people do we have here, by the way? Okay, 40 students. I mean, that's great. Katta, xo'p, everyone, menimcha uxlab qolmagansizlar, hali hamma uyg'oq, davom etamiz. Savol bizda nima? Karyera haqida. If you had to restart your life, agar hayotingni boshqatdan boshlamoqchi bo'lganingda, what degree or career path would you choose? Qaysi diplom, qaysi sohada o'qish tanlarding yoki qaysi karyera bo'yicha ketish xohlarding deyilyapti. Ketib ko'rib chiqamiz. Mana 27 yoshli female man deyapti. Recently quit my job. Yaqinda ishimdan ketdim. I hate it because of RTO order. RTO. I didn't get it. Let's see. Regional Transport Office, Vehicle Licensing Agency in India, Recovery Time Objective. Когда было начинали? A government body for vehicle registration, driving licenses and road tax permit enforcement. Короче, yo'l aloqasi bor narsa. Ishidan ketgan ekan, chunki hate qilgan ekan mana shu ishidagi aloqa, ishidagi narsa bo'yicha. Buni tushunishim shart emas unchalik. I'm now lucky enough to be in a position where I can go back to school without working for a little while. If you were studying, what would you get a degree in or choose as a career? Open to anything. But if I was being picky, here is some things to consider. Bu o'zimga yoqdi mana. Bu kelib cho'tki o'tdi. Analiz qilamiz hozir birga. Tak, bizda study tips ketdi, career bo'yicha. Tak, ketdi. Open to anything. Open to nimadir, okay? Bu narsa asosan nima deydi, bu juda ham yaxshi frazlardan bittasi. Open to degani tayyor biror narsaga. To be ready for something. Aytsam bo'ladi, misol uchun, aytaylik, men o'zimdan katta odam bilan o'tiribman, unda maslahat so'rayapman, menda shunaqa bo'lyapti. Men hamma tanqidga tayyorman deb aytyapman. Aytsam bo'ladi, I am open to any criticism. Da? Okay, I am open to any feedback. Aytsam bo'ladi, men hamma narsa tayyorman. Keyingisi. Open to anything, but if I was being picky, someone who chooses rather than randomly picks. Randomly tanlamasdan nima qilar ekan, tanlaydigan odam bo'ladi. I'm picky. For example, you've got a question. Let's say in speaking part 1, what color would you choose to paint the walls of your room? Well, I'm not picky. I would just go with something light color, with something light. Okay, what color would you choose to paint the walls of your room? Well, I'm quite picky when it comes to, colors. I would limit myself to something light. It can be green or blue. Yeah, like either of them, we can say. Yeah. On a speaking part, if I was being picky, here are some things to consider. Makes a job where I don't have to climb some corporate ladder. Like climb some corporate ladder, some corporate's ladder. Bu narsa lavozimdan lavozimga ko'tarilishlikda. No healthcare. I have no background on tech. I have no background. I have backgrounds on something. Backgrounds on something. Bun tarjimasi have experience in something. Misol uchun aytsam bo'ladi. Well, I have some background in teaching, on teaching. Dars berish bo'yicha menda experience bor. And no male dominated trades. Mana male dominated qaranglar. Male dominated trade degani faqat erkaklar qiladigan ish. That's great. Endi buni anaqa kategoriyasi shunaqa ekan. Ish talab bo'yicha. Endi davom etamiz. Editing to that, find your passion is not helpful to any adults in real life. That's such a lame cliche, in fact. Okay. Nima deyapti bu yerda? Bittasi yozgan bunga, bundan oldin. O'zingni, yuraging tortgan joyi, yuraging tortgan narsani qil deb aytgan. Aytyapti. Find your passion deb aytsalaring, bu menga yordam yo'q deyapti. Chunki любой adult real life'da deyapti. That's such a lame cliche. Cliche degani siqasi chiqib ketgan. Aytsam bo'ladi. Aytaylik, speaking part 3 da savol berilyapti. Do you think AI is going to take over the world? Well, I think it's a bit cliche topic. O'ylashimcha bu bir siqasi chiqib ketgan tema. Chunki deb ochib berasizlar. Unrealistic for everyone on earth. Unrealistic degani nima deydi? Haqiqiy bo'lmagan narsa. Lame lekin tushunmadim. Lame. Unable to walk. Oqsoq, cho'loq. Lame excuse. Tak. Not satisfactory. Weak. Weak again, weak. Lame degani weak. Okay, yaxshi. Davom etamiz. Endi bittasini tashlaymiz, sizlarga o'zingizlar aniqlasizlar, analiz qilasizlar. Tak, ketdi. O'zim ko'rishcha hali ko'rganim yo'q, o'qiganim yo'q bu narsani. I know you said no husky, but I would. Oh, okay. Vocab bor bizda. You can learn pretty much a lot of vocabulary from here. Let me see how many people do we have here. Okay, 27 students. That's honestly great. Xo'p, ketamiz vocabga. Bu yerda honestly vocab yaxshi bor. Tushunmasanglar ham, ana nima dedi, yozib ketaveringlar. Birla keyin translate qilamiz, okay? But we do have some nice chunks here. Well over. Yep, well over is a good one. Orthodontics. Okay, flies totally. Mana chala. Oxirgisi chala. Flies totally. U chala. Bitta zo'r vocab borda, lekin bor. You guys are not taking it. Yep, fly totally under the radar. I mean, that's what I was looking for, honestly. Fly totally under the radar. Okay, what about others? Okay, what do you think? One of the best careers that flies under the radar. Well, that's a good one. That's honestly what I was looking for. Taqoylaymiz qoldirursin, keyin qaytib kelamiz. Let's start. You said no Husky, but I would have chosen, I would have done something. Grammatica. Model perfect. I would have plus verb 3. I would have chosen this red one if I had more money. Yaxshi, okay, but I'm bitta grammatika bittasi. Makosi makes well over mana. Make well over K a year. Well over degani ancha baland. 700 K dan baland. 740, 750 da. A solo practice. Yes. And never has to fight insurance companies. Easily one of the best careers that flies totally under the radar. Fly totally under the radar. Or the under the radar places degan vocab bor biz ingliz tilida. Ko'pchilik o'quvchilarim biladi vocabni. Fly totally under the radar. U shunaqa narsa bormikan ko'ramiz hozir. Da bor ekan, you see. To avoid being noticed, detected, attracting any significant attention. It implies deliberate effort to remain inconspicuous and to act discreetly. To fly under the radar again, to be ignored. To be ignored. You can say, well, that method totally flies under the radar. Flies totally under the radar. You see, ignored. Ignore qilinadi deb aytsak bo'ladi. Juda zo'r vaqt o'zimga yoqdi misol uchun. Okay, davom etamiz. Qanaqa tiplar bor ekan bu yerda. I once considered going to this o'zi nima ekan orthodontics. Dentist. Endi da bular seriously soqqadan taradi. I know that they make pretty much a lot of money. A dental special focus on fixing crooked teeth, bad bites, and jaw alignment issues using things like braces, clear. Okay, good. I once considered going this route in high school and spoke to one of my local orthodontics about it. He gave me 2 pieces of chalk and a paring knife. One of the best pieces had a bunch of geometric carvings in it. It all meant to make the other piece look as close to the first one possible. I tried for weeks to carve that chalk. I had blistered. The chalk was obscenely difficult to work.
Obscenely.
Obscenely, yes. So'kib gapiryapti ekan bunida. Okay, the obscene difficult work and eventually gave up and returned to them. He seemed disappointed. Years later, I was in nursing school. He saw me on a holiday break and told me he tried to work the chalk I gave back to him. It wasn't the same consistency as the first piece. It would have been extremely difficult and it wasn't fair. I had been told to do it. By a fluke. Okay. Короче, bunga juda ham bir qiyin narsani bergan. U qilolmagan. Keyin o'sha dentist ham uni qilib ko'rgan, u ham qilolmagan. U oddiy o'sha hech nimani bilmagan bolaga berish deylik, haqqoni bo'lmagan deyilyapti. Keyin uni aytyapti, mana huge life decision altered by a fluke. Bu yerda vocab bor. Aniqlamiz hozir buni. Huge life decision, juda ham katta hayotda qilinadigan qaror, altered by a fluke. Altered by a fluke. Changed by a luck. Ana omad bilan o'zgarib qolgan deyilyapti. Fluke degani omad. Alter, change. Aytsa bo'ladi. Mana bobom bor edi. Bobom shunaqa bir kun gaplashib o'tirganimizda u menga aytib qoldi, shunaqa narsa qildi. Keyin meni qilmoqchi bo'lgan life decision was altered by a fluke deb aytsa bo'ladi-da. Speaking part 1 bu edi menimcha zo'r o'xshaydi narsa. Tak, bu yerda hali ham o'sha tema ketyapti. Boshqa ideyalarni ko'raylikchi. Tak, nima deyishyapti ekan bu yerda? Okay. If I could go back, I would low-key pick to work in a fabric store. I know I can do now, but I'm sort of on a track. Vocab bor bizda bu yerda, ancha bor, olsak bo'ladi. Get everyone. Vocab ancha bor bizda. You guys can learn a lot from this one. Hop, bundan keyin yana bitta comment analysis qilamiz. Undan keyin hobbiesdan qilamiz bitta. Shundan keyin we will call it a day. Charchab qolgan bo'lsangiz, uyquga ketayotgan bo'lsa, как раз sizlarni vaqtingiz ketyapti. Okay, let's start this one. O'zimga ham qiziq bu narsa, honestly. Tak, ungacha men to'g'rilab chiqib yodgan narsalarni. Da, qo'yinglar mana. Okay, what are you guys doing? I see 6 students, texting here. That looks solid. Let's see what you guys are doing. Okay, low key, that's a good one. Pick to be working on a track. It sounds weird. Okay, on my own time. That's good. That's good. 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 Good, Mavili. Good. What should we do? Well, that is a great question. I'm sort of on something. That's a good one. Good job, Nazma. Good job. Okay, chotki, zo'r. Qolganlarni yozib qoldirursin. Endi men o'zim analiz ko'raychi. Men ko'rganimda ancha narsa ko'rdim bu yerda. Okay, ketdim. If I could go back, I would low-key pick to be working in a fabric store. Like go back degani, like o'sha past simple debman. O'tmishga qaytsam deyapti-da, if I could go back. Mana shu bunda hammasi oson bo'ladi, chunki o'zimga fraza chiqib qolib, grammatika chiqib qolib. If I could go back, I would low-key do something. Verb qilamiz, ketamiz. Low-key degan kamtar bo'lib, okay? kamtar bo'lib mador qilgan bo'lardim. Aytsam bo'ladi. Like if I could go back, I would low-key help as many people as possible. Or if I could go back, if I could go back, I would low-key pick something, pick pick whatever, and gain experience for a year. Shunaqa aytsam bo'ladi. Men o'zim kamtar bo'lib turib, bu narsa tanlayrimda, o'sha narsa bo'yicha opit yig'ardimda. I know I can do that now, but I'm sort of on a track. I am sort of on a track. I'm sort of degani qanaqadir. Misol uchun aytsak bo'ladi. Well, it was sort of difficult. Aytsak bo'ladi. And kind of bor edi bizda. Kind of shuna foydalansak bo'ladi. It was sort of difficult. It was sort of difficult. Bu qanaqadir qiyin edi. Next one. On track degani men o'sha yo'ldaman. Men o'zim karyeram, o'zim maqsadim bo'lish ketyapman. I worked at John and it was the best job I ever had. I have a degree now, so it sounds weird that I wouldn't want to use it. I love the customers so much. I love crafty people. Qo'li bilan qiladigan odamlarni yaxshi ko'raman deyapti. Ham yaxshi. Part 2 da tema kelib qolsa, describe a person, blah blah. Crafty person deb aytib ketsak bo'ladi. I crouch it. Crouch it? I don't know it. To make clothes and I'm using wool. Okay. Taraf uzoq ekan.
Crochet. Crochet.
What?
Crochet.
That's crochet. Crochet. I mean, well, that is the third word, the fourth word that I have been amazed by. The first one, Bologna. The second one, tortoise. The third one, choir. And the last one is the new one, crochet. Crochet. I mean, these words, second to none. I'll repeat once again. Bologna, tortoise, choir, crochet. Interesting. So, let's continue. And yeah, I would crochet. Yeah, I would crochet and do crafts on my own time. Like in my own time. Yeah, we can say so. In my own time, it was like in my free time. I would do that and then try to make my own clothes on the side to sell as a boutique. That's my dream. Well, I like the idea here. He's good. It's God's degree to have more time to have fun inside this man, the biggest regret of my life. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin investor. Так. Tak. Butunda vocabulary yo'q. I was lucky enough to. Bu yaxshi vocab. Men yetarlicha omadli edim. Qara, gap eshitdilar. Medicine ekan hozir. Medicine tanlayapti. I had the opportunity at around your age. Sen yoshli bo'lganimda opportunity bor edi. Didn't pursue it because of a partner. Never ever turned down such an opportunity or makes this life-changing decision or partner. Okay. Katta ishni anas qilaylik-da. O'zingni rafiqang uchun, o'zingni kimdiring uchun bunaqa narsadan voz kechmayapti-da. Ko'rib chiqamiz, qaranglar. I had the opportunity, imkoniyat bo'lganmanda at around your age. O'sha sen yoshli bo'lganimda at around your age menda imkoniyat bo'lgan. Didn't pursue because of a partner. Mana turn down an opportunity. Turn down an opportunity degani biror bir kelgan shansni qaytarib olishlik, reject qilib olishlik is. Make such a life-changing decision. Bu hayot o'zgartirib yuboradigan darajadagi nima qilishlik, qaror qabul qilishlik. make a life-changing decision, yes? Went down the law path instead, but I have the aptitude, have the aptitude bar, have the skills and the manure for it. Whoopa, have the aptitude and the manure for it. The manure bilmadim the manure meaning axloq fe'l-atvar. Talaffuz qanaqa ekan?
Demeanor.
Come on, guys. Like, I thought I had a 9 in pronunciation. Like, I really have, but
Demeanor.
demeanor. Okay, that is going to, well, that is now going to be the fifth. Demeanor.
Demeanor.
Demeanor. Okay. Well, yeah, it sounds logical. Like, we've got double E's here. Demeanor, whatever. Okay, demeanor is like a way of looking and behaving. Like the characteristic, the attitude, yes, the attitude. Find great value in it. It's not for everyone. Okay. I think it's good. I think it's good. So I think it's been quite a lot of time. It's been quite a great time with you all. And now it's time for hobbies. I'm not going to be analyzing too much here, like one or two, and then you guys can do it on your own. Let's start. What lesser known hobby are you begging folks to try? Lesser known hobby, a hobby that not a lot of people know, like begging, yolvorish. Qanaqa ko'pchilik bilmaydigan hobby bor, sen xohlavotsan ko'pchilik qilishni deyapti. Tak, hobbies. Ketdi. Tak. Lesser known hobby, lesser known place. O'zi bu vocabga place bo'yicha bilardim. Hobby bo'yicha ekanini ko'rmaganman. I want to try learning something new, and I thought about how many unique craft skills are in the world, but we see mostly the same ones. Biz odatda bir xilini ko'ramiz deyilyapti. Is there something I should try? Is there something you feel like you've been screaming from the rooftops about that falls on the deaf ears that I'm listening? Well, that's great. Look at this one. Scream from the rooftops. Scream from the rooftops. Let's see it. Scream from the rooftops meaning to announce something very publicly, openly, and just so that everyone knows, and stemming from the idea to climb to a high place and make loud announcement. Tarjimasi hammaga e'lon qilishlikgacha, hammaga aytishlik. To announce or tell everyone. Yeah. Like falls on deaf ears. Fall on deaf ears. Nima degan ekan? On deaf ears meaning. Ignored. Ignored. I like the vocab. I like the vocab. Fall on deaf ears. To be ignored. I just shared a lot of advice and all of them just fall on deaf ears. I like it. So let's continue. Tak. Hop, qanaqa bor ekan bizda? Mana shuni o'qiylikchi. Qolgan o'zida qilib qo'yaverasizda, o'qib chiqsanglar bo'ladi bemalol. Tak, let's start. Wildlife tracking. Life tracking or wildlife tracking? Wildlife tracking degan yovvoyi hayot kuzatishlik. Okay. It makes you slow down and really get to know the area. It is fun putting everything together to figure out what they're doing there around. Extra awesome getting to actually see the animal in person after kind of walking in their footsteps as much as possible. Okay. Bunaqa narsa qilib ko'rmagan ekanman, lekin wildlife tracking degan hobby borligini bilmasdim. Origami, I just folded this for you folk. On origami qilsanglar bo'ladi deyapti hobby sifatida. Origami degani qog'ozdan narsa yasashlik. Okay, that's a good one. Like Ukrainian Easter eggs. It was a very affordable hobby, incredibly meditative and so beautiful. I've made them since I was 13. Easter eggs. Ukrainian Easter eggs. Okay. No da, yaxshi, yaxshi. Bu ham hobby. Menga misol uchun juda ham bir yangilik bo'ldi. You're also kind. They're made from real empty eggshells that are drained by a small hole at the base of the egg. O'zi ko'rib chiqasizlar juda ham. Quilling. What is quilling? Ha. Okay, 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 okay. Tushunarli, tushunarli. Chiroyli narsalarda. Bu narsalarni nimaga ishlatsanglar bo'ladi? Qachonki, let's say, let's think about about 10 years later. Aytaylik hozir 20 yosh bo'ladigan bo'lsanglar, 19 yosh bo'ladigan bo'lsanglar, 29-30 yoshlarda farzandli bo'ladigan bo'lsa, farzandinglar bilan birga qilsanglar bo'ladi. Juda ham zo'r hobby misol uchun. O'tirib birga ishlashlik juda ham zo'r. Da bular oxirgi 3tasini o'zim saqlab qo'yaman, chunki I want to try. I really want to try all of them. Tak, Needle felting. Needle felting nima ekan? Needle felting. Da, bu ham qiziq. Da, this one is also great. Короче, da, ana hobbilar juda ko'p ekan. Hozir men ko'rsam, yana ko'payib ketadi. Miyam yana chalkashib ketadi-da, keyin bittasini qilmay qo'yaman. O'shaning uchun oxirgi tak. 3tasini men saqlantirib qo'yaman. Tak. Add the photos. Okay. Ida, o'rtoqlar, bugun sizlar bilan ko'p narsalar o'rgandik. O'zim shaxsan, I learned a lot. I learned a lot of vocabulary, a lot of ideas. So, how's it been? How's it been? Savollar bo'ladigan bo'lsa, menga yoki nimadir so'ramoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsanglar, you guys can absolutely do it, and I'm all ears if you have any questions. I see 27 students. Well, that's honestly great. That's a great number. 29. That's good as well. Well, like 29 students is about 2% of the students of the subscribers that I have. Usually when teachers run online lessons, like about 1% or 0.5% of students join if we're going to compare the number of subscribers they have and the number of people joining their lessons. And I've got about 1,500 subscribers, about 1,500, and we have around 30 participants, which is 2%. Well, that is a good number. Proportionally, it's small, but it's good. So you will exceed doing such atmosphere streams. Well, we'll see. So absolutely great. Thank you for the lesson. You're welcome. Absolute Cinema. I've seen this, this word, this phrase somewhere. Like my students sent it. I honestly don't know what this means. Like, what does this mean? I'm interested. What does this mean? So, Ethan Havish, thank you. You're welcome. I really enjoyed, to be honest. Thank you. Whoa, brother. You were here. Thank you too. Thank you too for being here. It was great. Thanks. You're welcome. These methods. You're welcome. How was self-study? Self-study. Good. Was this on Absolute Cinema or something? Like, yeah, I've seen it somewhere, but I just didn't understand the meaning. Like, what does it represent, Okay, anyways, so it means it was great. Okay. So everyone, thank you once again. It's been a pleasure. Ida, bu sizlar bilan birga o'tirib o'rganishlik bir bahona edi. Men o'zim o'sha biror bir yangi narsa o'rganmoqchi bo'lgandim. Miyaga biror bir yangilik kirsin deb o'rgandim. Sizlar ham o'rganinglar, men ham o'rgandim. Thank you everyone for joining. And have a good night, everyone. I'll see you all probably sometime after the new year. So good night, everyone. See you.